In this video, we will share with you how to fix Google Backup not working on Android issue. Solution 1. Make sure the network connection is strong. First of all, you should check the network connection on your Android device. Make sure the network connection is strong enough. And if you are using mobile data, you should check whether you have set to transfer files only via Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Add Google account again. Click Settings on your Android phone and choose Account. Then, choose Google and click the three dots icon and then remove account. After that, add your Google account again and check if Google Backup is working now. Solution 3. Clear Google Drive cache and data. Sometimes cleaning Google Drive cache files and data is an efficient way to make Google Backup work. To do that, you just launch Google Drive and go to Settings. Click on the option of Clear Cache and then restart your Android phone. After that, you can try to back up Android data to Google account again. Solution 4. Check any update for Google Drive. Update your Google Drive if there is an update version released. If not, update the app. Solution 5. Reinstall Google Drive. Some users tell that they can back up to Google Drive after they reinstall the Google Drive. Therefore, you are suggested to uninstall and reinstall the Google Drive on your Android device to check if this solution works. Solution 6. Alternative way to back up Android data. If your Google Backup is still not working after above solutions, you can try another alternative way to back up your Android phone. Coolmaster Android Assistant can help you back up and restore your Android data with one click.